Sir, right side. Tushar sir, sir, center. One more, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi, good, how are you? Hi, long time.
Congratulations. How is the feeling to associate with IFA, completed 16 years?
Yeah, I feel very close to IFA because I think I'm as old as IFA in the industry. I started in 2001 and I think the first IFA was 2001 or 2000 or 2001, one of the two. So I've started my career with IFA and I've been to most of the IFA awards. And Wizcraft, as always, they've always been very hospitable. The IFA team has been very hospitable, and it's a very fun award function wherein you don't get too hyper about who's winning, who's losing. It's more about being with the industry, connecting with your fans abroad, and just having a good time.
आप किस फिल्म को nominate करना चाहते हैं?
I think deservedly would be Queen, PK. These are my two favorite films from last year.
तुषार, हम यहाँ पे आईफा में वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग फिल्म्स इन इंडियन सिनेमा अब्रॉड, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं इंडियन सेंसर बोर्ड जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं कंट्रोवर्सीज में घिरा हुआ है पिछले 2-3 महीने से. रिसेंटली सुधीर मिश्रा, a very renowned director of Bollywood, has commented that Bilal Nilani जी को चीफ नहीं होना चाहिए सेंसर बोर्ड का. आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
I don't want to comment on this because मैं अभी 2 महीने की शूटिंग करके आया हूँ, तो बहुत सारा जो हुआ है अभी मतलब सेंसर बोर्ड को लेकर I'm just getting familiar with that, but I do feel कि बहुत confusion है सेंसर बोर्ड में. It's not clear as to क्या पास करना चाहिए क्या नहीं. And I think 2015 में I think we need to really get our act together as far as censorship is concerned. तो वो भी मतलब sort out हो रही है चीज़ें. अगर मतलब confusion है अभी मतलब चीज़ें sort out होने वाली हैं. So it's a good trend. It's good to have these conflicts. It's good to have these discussions so that we eventually know where we're going.
Tushar, tomorrow Amir is turning 50, so wishes for him.
Of course, I mean, I think he's one actor I think who's broken all records as far as not just in box office, as far as not looking his age, because he definitely doesn't look 50. He's played a college boy 5 years back. So here's wishing Amir Khan it could be a 5th or a 50th birthday. I think he can play both characters really well. So you can remove the 0 if you want.
तुषार, सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए ही और आम पब्लिक के लिए भी सबसे ज़्यादा मुंबई में प्रॉब्लम होती है वो है ट्रैफिक, टोल्स को लेकर. तो टोल को लेकर जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स है, जैसे गेट बहुत कम है और एम्बुलेंस को भी प्रॉपर जगह नहीं मिलती जाने के लिए. इस पर सचिन तेंदुलकर ने एक लेटर लिखा था सीएम को कि इस तरह की डिमांड्स है मेरी, इसे पूरी करना चाहिए आपको.
उन्होंने कहा है तो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली गवर्नमेंट कुछ ना कुछ तो करेगी. एनीवे आई फील द गवर्नमेंट नाउ इज डूइंग अ lot of projects have been passed, lots of new highways, lots of new infrastructural projects have begun or are going to begin. There's going to be more land acquisition. So I think एक small मुद्दा है जो I think sort out हो सकता है, but I think there are bigger issues and bigger problems that are on their way to being solved.
तुषार, पर बहुत ही खुशी की बात यह है कि सीएम ने इस पर तुरंत रिप्लाई भी किया और कहा कि हाँ वो ये करेंगे क्योंकि सचिन ने कहा है.
Yes, I believe our CM is very responsible, very responsive, and he's very young in his approach. बहुत modern, forward looking है, बहुत prompt है, बहुत quick है. तो you're giving me the answer to my question. It's being done.
तुषार, सचिन तेंदुलकर बहुत ही रिजर्व किस्म के
I don't want to comment on anybody personally.
Okay, no.
तुषार, third installment of Kya Super Cool Hai Hum. I'm sure you're all set and excited for that. Apart from that, which films are you doing?
Well, there's Masti Zade and then there's Kya Cool Hai Hum 3. Yeah, these are the two films that right now are going to release this year.
तुषार, अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ अगर आपके आखिरी 24 घंटे होंगे तो आप क्या करना चाहेंगे उस टाइम में?
आई थिंक आखिरी 24 घंटे होंगे लाइफ में तो क्या करना चाहूँगा?
हाँ, क्या अचीव करना चाहेंगे?
Maybe probably just eat my heart out. जो खाना है खा लूँगा and जो पीना है पी लूँगा. Probably I'll just what do I do last 24 घंटे में? I think I'll spend time with family. I'll and party. That's it.
युवा लोग भी आ रहे हैं, नए लोग आ रहे हैं बॉलीवुड के अंदर, उनके बारे में क्या कहेंगे? आलिया हो गया.
आप लोग उनके बारे में ही लिखते रहते हो. आप इतना लिखते हो उनके बारे में, इतना छापते हो उनके बारे में, मैं क्या कहूँ? आपने ही कह दिया.
Thanks a lot.